In Windows, we create a shortcut to use the file very easily. Some files are stay in very depth in the folder. That's why we create a shortcut, paste it to desktop. If you see this file and if you click this shortcut, the same file will open, right? But if you want to use this file from here, it's very difficult because there are many child and parent directories there. Hard link shortcut are like same. We have a file inside the desktop, path child. Here is the file readme.txt. If you want to open this file, you have to go first desktop, path 1, then child path, child path. But if I create a soft link, it's very easy to access from my home directory. In my home directory, there is some files and directories here. So I want to create a shortcut for readme.txt and I want to directly open from here. Create a soft link ln. ln means it's a link dash s. S means it's a soft link, and then source path child readme.txt. Click enter ls. Now listing this directory. The readme is here. This is the actual path for this soft link. How you can understand this is link? Because in the first column, first bit is l. L means it's an link, and this is soft link. I want to write anything to this soft link. It's actually open file directly. Now I am writing this is soft link. Now if I read this readme.txt, we can see this is the soft link, and if I read the file child path readme, the same content is here. So this is actually soft link. Create a soft link in different name. I also can do it. If you don't put any name here, that means the same name will be created for the link. But if you want to customize this name, you also can do it. How can you do it? ln minus s full path of this link and the new name. This is the soft link new name, whatever you want. And extension, you can do it or not, it's doesn't matter. So now ls minus l, here the soft link is created. If you read this soft link, the content will be same. The same thing is here. Now I delete the main file. If you delete the main file, it will impact your link. Your link will be destroyed. Your soft link will not work. rm. Now I want to delete. ls. List this path. There is no file. I list this directory. The link is gone. Red means this link will not work. So let's test it. Soft link new name. There is no file or directory. If you read this link, this also a same thing. Now we will see the hard link. Create a file that's directly created through the text editor. Desktop, path, child path, and readme.txt. This is hard link. ls-l shows the full list. Because we create the file in the same name, that's why the soft link is restored. Okay, so I will create the hard link. So The process is almost same, just you don't use any flag, ln, and then source and the destination name called hard link. Inside a hard link.txt. When you create a hard link and the actual file are almost same. This is the hard link. So I read the hard link. This is hard link. Now I delete the link readme.txt. It's a symbolic link. I want to delete because I want to show you hard link in the same name. Okay, so ln, I just remove the hard link and press enter. It will create with same name ls minus l, so that we can clearly see. So here you can see, if you don't put any destination name, that means the source name will automatically taken. For the soft link or for the hard link are same. And if you delete the actual file, hard link will not impact it, only the soft link will impact it. So let's test it. rm -f. I want to forcefully delete this readme file. So now just listing. See the differences in the soft link. The hard link will not impact it. So I want to read the hard link first. Hard link. See here the content is okay, no issue. Readme.txt also okay because it's an hard link. If you want to read the soft link, no such file or directory. So soft link actually a shortcut system when we previously see on the Windows. Hard link or not. So let's discuss about some theory about the hard link and soft link, so that we can understand if you are deleted the actual file, why soft link it impacted but hard link is not impacted. Soft link are pointed to the real file. So if you remove the real file, the soft link will doesn't work, because in between soft link and the inode is your block of the memory, your actual register. So it's just broke the pointer. That's why the soft link will be gone if you delete the real file. But when we create the hard link, it's directly pointed to the inode. That's why when you delete the real file, it will not destroy. The hard link will work when you delete the real file because it's directly pointed to your memory register. That's why link will not destroy. So in the summary, in hard link and inode, this is directly connected. That's why if you delete the real file, it will not impact it. When we create a soft link, it's pointed to the inode through the real file. That's why when you delete the real file, it will gone. So let's see inode of the actual file, real file. So li child path and then readme. See the inode now. The inode in here. L means it's a long list, I means it's an inode. So when you compare in the both file, the actual file inode and the hard links inode are the same, but in the soft link inode is different. That's the actual thing. The hard link is directly connected or directly linked through your inode. I mean directly it's connected to the register, and if I talk about the soft link are connected with the register through through your real file. That's why if you delete the real file, the soft link is impacted but hard link are not.